Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the system and starting the flow. Back up important files and create a restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, plug in power and ensure a stable network to avoid interrupted downloads. Now open Settings, go to Update and Security, and click Windows Update. This is where you trigger checks and downloads. Make sure to close heavy programs because updates can fail if resources are low. You check for updates and let Windows fetch and download them completely. Partial downloads cause corruption. Once downloads finish, select Install and then configure restart options so the reboot happens outside your work hours. Set active hours or a specific restart time. If an update stalls or fails repeatedly, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and install the latest servicing stack update manually. These repair the update pipeline and often resolve repeated errors. You finish by restarting and letting the system apply changes. This final reboot completes installation and often resolves pending tasks. After booting, check update history to confirm success and note any failed codes. If Windows hangs during install, boot to safe mode, uninstall the offending update, and retry. Make sure to run DISM and SFC to repair corrupted system files before repeating updates. These tools fix underlying issues that block
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.